Hi, everyone, and welcome to Words of Balance. What if the discipline that made you successful is the exact thing now keeping you stuck? Most high achievers today are running from the fear of being seen as not enough instead of reaching for their goals. So, in this video, let's see how you can stop seeking validation over alignment and start leading your biology toward outstanding results. I'm Sabrina Cadini, your holistic precision life and well-being coach and the creator of the Life-Work Balance System, helping you live better, work smarter, and feel happier by prioritizing yourself with customized lifestyle changes. If you're ready to invest in your evolution and learn how to become your best self every day as the intentional creator of your own life, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you will never miss an episode. We live in a culture that rewards what I call the juggler. You have likely spent years perfecting the art of being stretched thin, as I often say in my life work mastermind, and you likely believe that constant motion equals progress. That might be true, but this hustle is often a search for external validation. You stretch yourself thin to satisfy the expectations of others. But if your success relies on proving your worth, you are a performer, not a leader. And performers eventually burn out. When you prioritize performance over authenticity, your biology stays in survival mode. Your nervous system reacts to tight deadlines like threats to your safety, leaving you surviving the week rather than owning your life. But real evolution requires you to stop managing your schedule and start leading your biology. In my coaching work, I often see leaders trapped in the performance mindset, fearing that empathy lowers standards. In reality, avoiding the human element creates the friction that slows down your progress. And this is where my open framework provides the precision you need to shift from reactive pressure to grounded performance. I just detailed this in my latest blog post, and I will share the link in the description box below for more details. So when you follow the open steps, you signal safety to your nervous system. First, observe the shift. Trust your intuition when you notice subtle changes in energy. Second, pause with presence. Ask, what is on my mind before rushing to offer a solution. Third, extend support. Provide options instead of directives to respect autonomy. And fourth, nurture growth. Model boundaries like intentionally unplugging at the end of the day. Applying these steps to yourself first regulates your own system, which is the non-negotiable prerequisite for leading others with the strategic empathy that promotes innovation. You simply cannot lead effectively if your brain is stuck in a survival loop. So moving away from this trap of performance is about achieving that internal alignment. It is about becoming the person you were meant to be, not the person everyone expects you to be. Are you ready to stop performing and start thriving? Now take a moment to reflect. If all the external praise for your work disappeared tomorrow, what parts of your life and career would still feel meaningful to you? I encourage you to write your answer down for clarity and focus. And if you're comfortable, share your reflection in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts on where you are finding alignment today. If you are ready to move yourself or your organization beyond that trap of performance, let's collaborate. Through my WorkWell 360 corporate programs, I help teams implement the open framework as one of the effective strategies I offer to promote psychological safety and supercharge productivity without burnout. WorkWell 360 is labeled as a corporate wellness program, but together we can do so much more by offering solutions that align precisely with your company's goals, culture, and the objectives of your most valuable asset, your employees. And if you're looking for something different for yourself, schedule a free clarity call. We will map out a precision roadmap tailored to your unique goals. My coaching programs are designed to help you optimize your life and career, achieving the outstanding results you have been working for. You can find more details at the link in the description box below. If this conversation challenged you a little, please share, like, and subscribe. This helps me reach more high achievers who are ready, like you, to become their best self every day. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to live life fully. See you in my next video.